tornado is located near Mechanicville.
OMG.
Hazard.
Confirmed.
Tornado and quarter-size hail. Source. Public confirmed tornado. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Cambridge around 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Huasic Falls around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Shattuck Hill, Center White Creek, Huasic Junction, Petersburg Junction, Johnsonville, Willow Glen, Coons, Wayville, Shattuck, and North Cambridge. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now.
Oh my gosh.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Rensselaer, Saratoga, and Washington.
Just got out here.
To those caught without shelter.
Just got out here.
Will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Grafton around 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Huasic Falls around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Ridgetown, Shattuck Hill, Huasic Junction, Melrose, Petersburg Junction, East Huasic, Babcock Lake, Johnsonville, East Bustard, and Eagle Bridge. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie out in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Rensselaer, New York.
GOR for Bennington. I think. Yep, tornado warning. GOR for Bennington.
Albany has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Rensselaer County and east central New York, southwestern Bennington County in southern Vermont until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh!
At 6:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Huasic Falls, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Northeastern Rensselaer County and east central New York, southwestern Bennington County in southern Vermont until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Tree damage is likely.
At 6:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Huasic Falls, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour.
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Huasic Junction, Haverhill Village, Southam, North Pownell.
Dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Otter Hill.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
In North Bennington.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will
To
occur.
a basement or an
Tree
interior
damage
room
is
on the
likely.
lowest floor of a sturdy
This dangerous storm will be near Bennington and Pownell around 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
or in
Stanford around 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
and protect yourself
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Huasic Junction, Papermill Village, Southam, North Pownell, Petersburg Junction, East Huasic, Otter Hill, Babcock Lake, North Huasic, and North Bennington. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Rensselaer.
Weather alert. Weather alert.
Oh, it popped up. Just walked in here. Oh, we finally activate. First time.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, northern Rensselaer County, and east central New York until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At
Nice to see you again, Albany.
Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Waterford or near Close, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Troy, Williamstown, Grafton, Berlin, New Ashford, Center Brunswick, Pitchtown, Shattuck, Valley Falls, Lansingburg, Shattuck Hill, Melrose, Quackle Hill, Sweets Corner, Babcock Lake, North Hancock, Johnsonville, Center Berlin, and Tamarack.
Storm warning.
National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts.
Oh.
Franklin County in western Massachusetts until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Williamstown or near North Adams, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include damage to vehicles is Deerfield, Monroe, Montague, Hadley, Sunderland, Hatfield, Monroe, Montague, Hadley, Sunderland, Deerfield, Northfield, Williamsburg, Bernardston, Bethlehem, Conway, Shelburne, Leggett, Irving, Ashfield, Coleraine, Gillen,
SVR.
Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, northeastern Columbia County and east central New York, southeastern Washington County and east central New York, Rensselaer County and east central New York, southwestern Bennington County in southern Vermont until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Greenwich to Castleton-on-Hudson, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Troy, Pittsfield, Bennington, East Greenbush, North Adams, Rensselaer, Huonsik Falls, Nassau, Adams, Williamstown, Shaftesbury, Pownell, Cheshire, Stephentown, New Lebanon, Grafton, Berlin, Cambridge, Greenwich, and Castleton-on-Hudson. The National Weather Service has issued
This? An SVR.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Oh, Litchfield. Here we go.
Litchfield County, southwestern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, northern Dutchess County in east central New York, southern Columbia County in east central New York, until 9 p.m. Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Litchfield
During
County,
NASCAR race.
8 miles east of Saugerties, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Northern Dutchess County in east central New York, southern Columbia County in east central New York, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Livingston, Topeka, Sheffield, Sharon, Pine Plains, Claremont, Red Hook, and Cram, Philmont, Canyon, Millerton. Source, radar indicated. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Barrington. Livingston, Topeka, Sheffield, Sharon, Pine Plains, Claremont, Red Hook, and Cram, Philmont, Canyon, Millerton, Ashley Falls, Falls Village. Miles per hour.
Here we go.
Hazard 60 Salisbury. Source Radar protection moved to an interior room, floor of a building. Trees. Locations and has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Columbia and Dutchess and Litchfield, Connecticut and Berkshire, Massachusetts.
Okay, WCBG. Okay, back on to NASCAR race for that one.
Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Litchfield County in northern Connecticut, East Central Ulster County in East
Oh, here we go.
Central Dutchess County in East Central New York.
Dutch J42 is activating now.
In northern Connecticut, East Central Ulster County in East Central New York, Central Dutchess County in East Central New York. West Central Litchfield County, East Central Ulster County until 9:15 p.m. 25 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations in valley including Cornwall Bridge, Dover Plains, Port Ewan, Lloyd, Esopus, Warren, Smithfield, and Salt Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Central Dutchess County in East Central New York until 9:15 p.m. Until 8 p.m. Litchfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New York, Dutchess and Ulster. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kingston, Pine Park, Pleasant Valley, Amenia, Kent, Sharon, Highland, Millbrook, Fairview, Stanfordville, Stroudsburg, New Preston, Cornwall Bridge, Dover Plains, Port Ewan, Lloyd, Esopus, Warren, Smithfield, and Salt Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Franklin County in western Massachusetts, Central Hampton County in western Massachusetts until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And then 14
It's
60 miles per hour for West Central Worcester County in central Massachusetts. Wind gusts. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations in County in western Massachusetts until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Northampton, Agawam, West Springfield, Greenfield, Orange, Deerfield, Ludlow, South Hadley, East Hampton, Longmeadow, Belcher Town, Monroe, are following where include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Which includes Springfield, Chicopee, Westfield, Holyoke, Amherst, Northampton, Agawam, West Springfield, Greenfield, Orange, Deerfield, Ludlow, South Hadley, East Hampton, Longmeadow, Belcher Town, Wilbraham, Monroe, are following where?
Okay, what's this for? Hold on. Oh, WCBG.
National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Litchfield County until 9:30 p.m. At 8:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm is located. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm. Litchfield County in northern Connecticut. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Indicated. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Thomas and
north of Litchfield, northwest Irwinton, Perryville, New Hartford,
50 miles per hour.
New Preston, Cornwall Bridge, Winston, Plymouth, Howington, Barkhamsted,
Goshen, Morris, and Shoulder. Locations and tactics include Torrington, Thomaston, New Hartford.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Litchfield County.
WJMJ.
9:30 p.m. At 8:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Falls Village, or 14 miles west of Torrington, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
Morris and Shoulder. For your to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Litchfield, Connecticut.
Okay, WCBG just relayed.
Perryville, New Hartford Center, Falls Village, New Preston, Cornwall Bridge, Winston, Plymouth, Howington, Barkhamsted, Goshen, Morris, and Colebrook. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Checking IM bot.
It's updating.
Hartford, I think.
Oh,
Yep, Hartford. 1069. 1069. Here we go. WCCC.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern. Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Collin County in northern Connecticut, Hartford County in northern Connecticut, southwestern Hampton County in western Massachusetts until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Newton. Intact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. 50 miles per hour.
Southington, Glastonbury, Newington, Vernon, Windsor, Weathersfield, South Windsor, Farmington, Simsbury, Bloomfield, Berlin, Rocky Hill, and Avon.
East Hartford, Enfield, Southington, Glastonbury, Newington, Vernon, Windsor, Weathersfield.
JMJ now.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the
Northwestern Collin County, Hartford County, southwestern Hampton County, in western Massachusetts, until 9:45
Caleb just did it.
at 8:51 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Collin to Kent, moving east at 50 miles per hour.
guys, it's getting windy.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source,
northeastern Orange and Putnam.
intact, expects damage to trees and power lines.
Locations impacted include Hartford,
New Britain, West Hartford, Bristol, Manchester, East Hartford, Enfield, Southington, Glastonbury, Newington, Vernon, Windsor, Weathersfield, South Windsor, Farmington, Simsbury, Bloomfield, Berlin, Rocky Hill, and Avon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Alright, that also jumped us out of our skins this time.